Hello, it's me, Gru, in quarantine. I got the keyboard. I'm pretty sure this is the keyboard. If it's not the keyboard, then you'll never see this video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly unbox it. I'll summarize the specs. I'll give a sound test, and I'll put the timestamp in the description, or if I can't do that, then I'll do it in the comments below. So it's really weird to because I don't get anything from Best Buy, so we just got the keyboard because Amazon's wasn't in stock. Okay, so it comes in this it has the blah blah blah. It's the Steel Series thing. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Sorry for the jiggle. Oh god, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple with just, it looks pretty simple, just like that. God, this Steel Series. Alright, let's take a look at this. God, jiggle. I hate this jiggle. Alright, so it has the OLED display, so it can show the Discord messages, or you can draw whatever you want. Oh, hi, cat. So you can draw whatever you want on it. You can show whatever. It's pretty handy for when you're inside of a game and you can't exit out and you get a message. Cherry MX blues. It's a hybrid blue, so God, how do you open this? It's a hybrid blue, and it's louder, so for the 40 people that watched my other videos, then they'll know how loud it's gonna be. So it's gonna be louder than my other keyboard. Opening up inside, it looks pretty. It's simple. Steel Series with their so it's a full keyboard, 100%. It has the volume roller, and I will give a sound test with the RGB, and it's also fully RGB. Comes with the magnetic wrist rest. It's Okay, so it comes with the braided cable, whatever. Cat, go away. You're so fat. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so it comes with the magnetic wrist rest. It's pretty neat. So I have a keyboard. I'm using the really old Eclipse 2 right now, so it's a non-RGB membrane keyboard. It's from what, 2000? It's pretty old. It was okay, here's the wrist rest, and I'm just going to okay, so as you can see, I have got this. So the magnetic, it just stays on. It's pretty good. So let me just give you a sound test right now. Okay, let me take this off Alright, sound test. It's pretty loud. You hear everything. The RGB is pretty good. It's Cherry MX Hybrid Blue, so blues are the loudest you can get. It's a pretty decent keyboard. I could say from right now, the wrist rest is pretty comfortable. It has full RGB lighting, which I will show about now. Okay, so I cut, epic. Alright, so this is the Apex 5. I have it, so there's an OLED screen that you can draw whatever you want. I'm gonna have a demonstration. Oh, sorry for my finger. I'm gonna I can draw things, and it's not like, it doesn't really help. It does not really useful for just drawing things, but like say you're in the middle of a game, and then you can like, you get a text or Discord message, you can see like how much, like who texted you and stuff. So yeah, so, and the RGB is pretty cool. I have it set to just, every time you click a button, it's thing is just goes over there. The wrist rest is a little bit too like close to the keyboard for me, so I have to move it out because my hands are bigger than average. You have to install the SteelSeries Apex 5 configurations. You can edit any key, illumination, blah blah blah. Like, it's really cool. You can also like, there are configurations because there's storage in this. It's pretty cool, and yeah. So this is the keyboard, and it's probably one of the best. If you want a quiet keyboard and cheap keyboard, you would probably not get this. This is, it's average expensive for a mechanical keyboard. And so I'm just gonna give another sound test. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe, or not, it doesn't matter. I have 20 subscribers, it doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want. Just as long as you viewed the video, it's pretty epic, not gonna lie. Bye.